Hello everyone, welcome back to Jain's Creative Corner. I am back with another easy to comprehend video, and this time I'm here to show you a very easy yet delicious recipe of pizza on bread. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to make pizza but on bread. No pizza base is required. During this lockdown, not many ingredients are available और बाहर से मंगवा के तो खाना बिल्कुल नहीं खा सकते. But cravings तो होती है ना फास्ट फूड की. So watch and try to learn this quick and simple recipe for your loved ones. Today, I have my sister Pallavi and Bhabhi Ela who gave this idea and also cooked it for all of us to devour. We also have a bonus recipe of a unique katori pizza in this video. Watch the video till the end to know about it. But before we begin the fun, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon right next to it so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. अब और देर नहीं करते. Let's start by having a look at the list of ingredients. We will need some bread slices. You can use both brown and white bread. Some cheese spread or mayonnaise. You can use the ready-to-use pizza sauce or make it tastier just like we did by mixing some Schezwan sauce and tomato ketchup in it. What's a pizza without some cheese? We had these small cheese cubes from Amul brand. You can use any cheese available or even cheese slice would do. For the toppings, you can use all the veggies you like. बच्चों को सब्जियां खिलाने का अच्छा मौका है. We use some green and yellow bell peppers, some onions, American corns and jalapeno peppers. For the seasonings, you can use oregano or ready-to-use pizza mix, some chili flakes and salt and pepper as per your taste. First step is to make the bread slice flavorful and soft. We need to apply a generous layer of cheese spread on the bread slice. If you don't have cheese spread at home, you can use mayonnaise. वो भी नहीं है तो फिर देसी काम. Mix a little salt and pepper in some homemade malai and use it. After this, apply a layer of pizza sauce. भाई पिज्जा सॉस से ही तो स्वाद आता है. इसमें कोई कंजूसी नहीं चलेगी. अब इसके बाद सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है थोड़ा सा चीज डालना. Yes, we will add cheese on top also, but this is our secret. We add just a little cheese before the toppings for that extra cheesy flavor. After that, you can use all the veggies you want. We are using some bell peppers, corns, onions and jalapenos. बस अब तो एक मोटी सी लेयर चीज की बिछानी है. After this, you need to add seasonings generously. Oregano, pizza mix और chili flakes तो must हैं. If you feel the need, you can sprinkle some salt and pepper also. बस अब क्या रह गया? पिज्जा को पकाना. Oil your tray so that the pizza becomes crisp from the bottom. You can also apply some butter or oil on the sides for that extra crunch. Now, place your pizza slices on the tray. Keep the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you must check. If they need to be cooked more, keep it for 5 minutes more. Once they are cooked and the cheese has melted, you can take out the tray and serve the pizza slices with some ketchup and oregano. As a bonus, we are going to show you how to make katori pizza. For this unique pizza style, you need to first roll out the bread slice with the help of a baलन to make it flat. After this, the process of getting the pizza ready for cooking is the same. The catch here is, we will bake the pizza in a katori or a bowl. You need to place the pizza inside a bowl and set the sides of the bread to give it the shape of a katori. After this, when you will bake the pizza, it will come out in the shape of a katori. Be sure to choose a bowl which can be used inside an oven for baking. Do give it a try yourself. Your family is gonna love it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please comment down if you wish to see some other easy and lip-smacking recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, Jai Jain.